All right, today we're going straight to Haiti with a classic that's on every table. The Diri Kole Pwa Nwa. That's Haitian black beans with rice. Simple, packed with flavor, thanks to the Épis. That Épis from Haiti that bring that flavor. Now, the beans are creamy, the rice is seasoned, and that rich color tells you it's home cooking done right. Remember, this is about balance. Let's create. If you ever tasted authentic Haitian food, you have tasted epis, which is a fresh blend of vegetables and spices and oil, and that bring flavor to everything. I have a link in the description with details and ingredients of how to prepare this mix. In another pot, I got about 2 tablespoons of oil heating up. Okay. Now I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of the epis. Tablespoon of tomato paste, and I'm going to let them fry for about a minute. Okay. Let me mix them up a little bit. Medium high. And this is where the aroma hits. The aroma hits the entire kitchen. We have the parsley, as part of the epis, the garlic, the thyme, the onions are coming alive. And listen to the sound of their music. If you got a small piece of salted pork or smoked meat, this is the time you can drop it in just for that extra depth. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep it simple, okay? Now we're going to add the cooked beans along with about 2.5 cups of that bean liquid. If it's not enough, just top it out with a little bit of water, okay? But this one was enough. I had 2.75 cup, but 2.5 cup might do. You're going to bring this to a simmer, and you're going to give it a taste, okay? Because you want to know if it needs salt. This one needs some salt. I'm going to add it. And you can add another touch of the epis if needed. I'm going to add that touch. Why not, right? Just a touch. Going to mix it. I'm going to use a couple cups of long rice. Add it. You're going to stir, okay? Oh yeah. Add it and stir. Mix everything together. Then you're going to let it simmer for about 5-8 minutes, okay? As it simmers, you're going to add a sprig of thyme. A sprig of thyme. This is the Haiti's touch. A touch from Haiti, huh? A sprig of thyme. 7, maybe even 10 minutes later, you notice the liquid is going down. And what you're going to do now, you're going to cover it because you want to let that steam cook the rice. And you're going to check it maybe 10 minutes later, maybe even longer, I don't know. But you check it periodically until the liquid is totally evaporated, okay? Look at that. Every grain coated with that beautiful black bean color. You can smell the epis and the thyme through the entire kitchen. And you can serve this, by the way, with fried plantains grilled, which is the pork that they cook in Haiti, or just by itself with a drizzle of lime, or in my case, with some avocado.